We already have a CSV source which can help us provide multiple values to our unit tests, but we can go one step further and load the values from an actual CSV file. First, let's copy the sample CSV file and paste it into source test resources. Now, if we open the file in Eclipse, we can see that it contains two columns, weight and height. The first line contains a header row and is followed by lines with pairs of weight and height for specific test scenarios. Going back to the code, we now want to provide coder weight and coder height directly from the CSV file rather than from the CSV source. Good news is there is not much to change here. We only need to modify one line, so let's get rid of @CSVSource. Instead, what we need is @CsvFileSource, press Ctrl space, now a pair of brackets, and inside the first thing we need to specify is the file. Type resources equals quotes, and now we need to provide the file location. With this folder structure, JUnit 5 will automatically start looking for the right file in test resources, so all we need to do is type a slash followed by the file name. Let me copy paste the file name not to make any mistakes. Excellent. Now we need one more element. If we take a look at the CSV file again, we can see that there is a header line. This line informs us what the fields are, but should not be used in any test scenarios. That's why we need to add something to @CsvFileSource. After a comma, write num lines to skip equals 1. Very good. You don't need to change anything else here. The name template works just fine with CSV file sources, and the mechanism is the same. The first field of each CSV line will be injected into coder weight, while the second one will be injected into coder height. Let's run the test and see if it works. Excellent. Everything passed with flying colors. We can expand the test and see all the test cases here. In the last 3 videos, we introduced 3 different methods of inserting values into parameterized tests. When you write your own parameterized tests, use the method which best suits your needs.